Look what we got. Oh, it's not the ash. Our Amish friend, Andy, did not get the ash done, unfortunately.
He went on vacation to
Yeah.
Ohio.
Yeah. These Amish guys are always taking vacation. Instead, we bought a whole bunch of 10-inch. I don't know why they call that 10-inch, because it's not. I know the English lumber is always off, but I guess Amish lumber's off even more. Well, it's not much. You know, what is it really? It's 9 3/8. It's so weird. Huh. Well, anyways, we're bored. Kinda. Sarah was painting, but I said, hey, let's do this instead. We're gonna put some of this up on the wall there, right behind her. Figured, why not? It's only like 6 o'clock at night.
7. I think.
Oh, good thing we bought another light for up there.
Oh no.
I wanted to take a quick second and just say thank you to anybody that's still supporting us on Patreon. It really makes a big difference in our budget, and I just really appreciate it. I know that you guys don't get anything extra. You just do it because you want to help us out, and I guess I'm here telling you that it really helps us out a lot. If you're interested in Patreon, you can find the link on the main channel landing site. I believe there's like a little thing you can click. If you're not, that's fine. The videos are free. But to anybody doing that, thank you so much.
We haven't been recording because my phone's been dead, but this is our progress this morning. The light turned out pretty good. I don't know if we're gonna share too much. We wanted a cool light for that area. We found this at a antique store, which is an old brass light, and it was new, like new old stock. Just didn't seem right, didn't look right. This one is interesting because it looks old, but it's not actually old. It's an exterior light because it has like weird light sensor things and switches that I don't think do anything. Like timing switches, I don't really know too much about it. I think it's gonna stay though. This isn't what it looks like. There's like glass. I just have it all apart right now. Someone online said it would be cool to get the bulbs that look like flames. I agree. I think that would look really cool. And that light, it's on its own switch. So we can have all the lights off and just that one on. And it's just really cool how it lights across the stone. The shiplap has been going up pretty well. We're trying to be as careful as possible, and it's a little finicky. And we understand that there's going to be cracks. I mean, that's kind of what we want for a look, right? We want it to look like old wood shiplap. Over here, we're really messing with this corner. As you can see, I recessed an outlet there, and that's because if we put some piece of furniture here, like a built-in of some sort, you wouldn't really be able to plug anything in because the outlet, it'd be sticking out too far. So we recessed it in like I don't know, 1.5 inches, 2 inches or so, and that should make a pretty good size difference. It took maybe an extra hour to do so, but seems worth it. Today's Lily's birthday. My number one. She's 14. It's insane. And I'll still never forget somebody very early on YouTube mentioned, this was early on when I was working on the house, and they said, that she'll be going to college before the house is done. And what I have to say to that is maybe. Probably not. It was never supposed to be something that I was going to get done quick. Hi, sweetie. You can't do a renovation like this totally out of pocket. Like, we've borrowed $0 for this whole renovation. And you're not going to do something like that in 2 years. Unless you're made of money. This house and property offers a lot, but it didn't offer any money trees. No money trees. So birthdays are a pretty big deal for me. I always take the days off when it's one of my kids' birthday. And we usually try to do something fun. I think Lily and I are going to go shopping for some clothes later today. And maybe we'll go ice skating later today. I guess there's some open skate somewhere in town. But that won't be for a little while. So I'm going to sip my ashwagandha tea, and I'm just gonna finish this wall right here. This is the last. Well, it's not the last bit of wall, but it's the last bit of wall that you're gonna see. Just thinking about it, this video will be kind of something maybe Lily watches in the future. At 14, honey, you've turned into just the best 14-year-old a dad could ask for. You'll remember these things, but you really like to draw. You love to draw. In fact, you draw every day probably for 2 to 3 hours. Right now, you're redrawing a lot of your drawings from 2 years ago because your styles changed so much. You want to redraw all your characters in your new style, and you're about to fill your 5th or 6th drawing book this year, and that's one of the things that we're going to go get today is a new drawing book for you. We're going to go to the bookstore, and we're going to get a really nice one, really nice paper, and I'll probably get you some new markers or something too, because I like to buy you art supplies. And then you've also recently just started playing electric guitar on top of piano and everything else, and I just love how you're willing to learn anything like that. Anything that you want to learn, you learn. You can crochet, you can do all sorts of crafts. I mean, you're so talented, and you just, I don't know, you make me really proud. But at 14, I really just could not ask for anything more. And I promise to have the house done before you go to college. It's partly why I have to work on it on your birthday. I think for those of you that are new to the channel, I started the house 8 years ago. So, you can do the math there of how old Lily was. She was about 5 or so when I started. And so it's safe to say that this is all she knows, is her dad working on the house. I don't think it's a bad thing. I think it shows that if you're willing to work really hard, you can pretty much obtain anything within the realm of construction type work. You just slowly, if you're diligent, if you save and spend your money correctly, you can do anything. The videos, I edit them. I make them look perfect, but in actuality, I'm not. And she knows. Lily's seen me on my good days, and she's seen me on my bad days. She's seen the struggle, and she's aware of it. I talk to her about it. And I don't think I'm telling anybody things that they don't know. I feel like I have missed a lot of my kids' childhood, which I know that I haven't. I know that I've been here the whole time. I think it's safe to say if it was up to me, I probably wouldn't live in a house so grand by myself, obviously. So I clearly knowingly do this just for my family. I want them to have a house, a safe, clean, warm house that they can live in. They were happy where we used to live. I mean, they loved that house. It's a much smaller house, much less expensive house. But I know that this house offers them things that house didn't. And just know that, yeah, this has been very difficult. This is a struggle. It's a big struggle. It's been a fight. But it's completely worth it as I sit here in my unfinished kitchen, staring at the windows that we put in and everything that this yard and house has to offer. It's been completely worth it. Watch your noggin.
Look what I found.
What was that? What is it?
It's a birthday. It's like a trumpet, supposed to be.
Oh, birthday trumpet?
Yeah.
In kind of a sick way, I think I kind of like this. It's not like a self-torture, but it's kind of like a self-torture. It's a true test to myself of what I'm capable of. Turns out I'm capable of quite a bit. And I wouldn't have known that 8 years ago.
Face, truth, and lies. Winding through your mind. Moment, space, and time. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. Do you remember this time? Do you remember this time? Will you remember this time? Will you remember this time?
We almost got it. Almost done. I mean, you can't take it back. And I wouldn't want to take it back even if I could. I just
No, it looks good.
Yeah,
It'll look good.
It looks better from the inside.
The proportions are too big.
Life remains the same as you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. As you look through seasons that have come and gone, and you wonder how we even made it this far. Do you remember this time? Do you remember?
Are you pretty excited about filling all the wood holes?
Oh, yeah.
I tried to make as little as possible.
Oh, yeah? Do you think about that?
Yeah. Every nail I put in the wall, I think about it.
Wow. I always thought, like, you put as many as possible.
No. Yeah, those kinds of jobs are great because they're not too bad. There's a beginning and an end. And I guess that's where we are right now. We're at the end of putting the wood on the walls.
And the beginning of filling the holes.
Looks pretty good. And I thought I greatly overestimated how much I would need, but I did not. We were only one piece over, really. I do need to get more because we have decided we're going to be putting it about yay high all the way around the room. That way when you open up one of the cabinets that I'm going to make, you'll see this wood on the back wall. So the cabinets I'm making are going to be truly built-in cabinets. And that's just the way I want to do it. From here, we are thinking we want to do the ceiling. So I'm just really hoping that the Amish guy does have the lumber for the ceiling done. I'm hoping it's also enough lumber. Because if it's not, we're going to go back to square one where I have to bring him more. Oh, I don't know if I showed this. We have a cool light here now. I'll show you that. I'll show you before I turn it on. I really like this light. We found it at an antique store for, I think, $5. I don't think it's antique. We have a very dim, like a 20-watt bulb in there right now. Look how cool it is. Can you do that in the dark? Let's find out. Sure. Oh, I don't need to turn it all the way off, I guess. Though I'm going to. Isn't that cool? I think it looks awesome because it's just the way that it lights across the stone. And that's just kind of what I envisioned for kind of a light that would be on all the time. Or maybe some of the time. I don't know. I really like that. But yeah, I don't know. I guess we'll end it here. It's an 11-minute rant. We'll see how much of it makes it into the video. Long story short, we've had some good progress. Looks good. It's nice to see it kind of come together. I'll do one last little swoopy whirl here. But I guess until next time, until I turn the camera on again, have a good week, everybody.